Welcome, avid learner of linguistics. If you are able to read, and I'm sure you are, you can read here this video is about metonymy, that weird bugger. Well then, let's take it away. As every cool and fancy word in linguistics, the word metonymy comes from the Greek language, and it means something like the other name, loosely translated. It basically means that you call one thing by another thing. You might just say that it is like a metaphor, but no, I wouldn't go that far. Unlike metaphor, there is a real connection between the concepts used in metonymy. We have two concepts, concept A and B, which are like literally, no, rather figuratively tied together, hence the chain. The conclusion is that when one concept moves, the other one follows. Might be a little confusing yet, so here are the examples. We can speak of metonymy when an effect represents its cause. That is, we mean the cause but speak about the effect, 'cause we're cool. And of course, cool people smoke. Logically, we have our own cool word for the stuff that we smoke, because cigarettes are just plain vanilla. As linguists and nicotine addicts, we talk about cancer sticks. And this is metonymy. Think of it. If you smoke too many cigarettes, what's going to happen with your lungs? It'll be just tarred as a highway if you're lucky. But the more likely thing to happen is you'll get lung cancer. So, the consequence of smoking is cancer, which is why calling a cigarette a cancer stick is metonymy. Now here's an example for the other way round, where the cause names the effect. There is a word called fortune, which for ordinary people is synonymous to wealth and money today. And why is this? Well, let's try using logic here. So, focus. If you have a great fortune, you must have been quite lucky or fortunate. And if you're a poor devil without any fortune, you probably were less fortunate. So, the cause of being wealthy is having luck. That's why fortune employs metonymy as well. Oh, need I mention that chain-smoking linguists don't know what a great fortune is? Go figure. Here are some other metonymy patterns. You can use an object to call its usage, which works perfectly well with body parts, because if you hand something in, what are you using for that? Or, would you rather use your eye or your belly button to eye something? Also, shouldering might have to do something with using one's shoulders. You can also name an object by its material. What about the word iron, or its converted form to iron? You know, these things were originally made of iron. Men might be a little bit puzzled right now. That's because they think that the washing machine puts the crease into their doublets and knickerbockers. I do too. So for men who are able to read, here's the word paper, which can be a test paper or a newspaper. However, that doesn't change the fact that you call it by the material it is made of. Here are some other things with metonymy. A part can name the whole. A container can name its content. The originator can name a product, which then is called eponymy. A leader can name the party, or a location can name what's there. As a final thought, I bestow upon thee this final question. Why is the White House a metonym? So that was it. Thank you for watching. I hope I could illuminate the topic a little. If yes, please subscribe. If not, do subscribe anyway. Toodles!